Dasj shopping for my bedroom. Guys, look at this. I found this and I want to know if I should get it. I think this is cute and I think I'm going to put it in the cart as a maybe. I like this pillow more, guys, I think. In the cart. Oh, sorry. I found this lamp and I think I'm in love. It's only 20 bucks. We're gonna grab her. Oh, here are the candles. We have Homegoods. I kid you not. Look what I just found. Literally stunning. Absolute beauty. You're coming home with me. Now hear me out. This is not fall related, but it's very beautiful. It's a coat rack. Since it's, you know, winter, fall is coming up, I'm gonna be wearing a lot more layers and jackets. I can hang it on the coat rack along with my bags. And it's $26. It's a better view. Next up on the agenda is going to Walmart. I'm gonna get fall cookies so we can decorate those with you guys.
Okay, let me do it.
Morning! Today we're going to be picking up a few last minute fall items to complete the whole bedroom look. I want to hit up Target and Bazaar Coffee. That's it. Honestly, I've already hit up Marshall's, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx. I'm done. I even hit up Walmart, guys. I'm done. I don't need anything else. So the only two stops we're making today, we're not gonna spend any more money, is Target and Bazaar Coffee. Look what we added. Does it not look so good? And so spooky-tastic. Big Daddy over here, but look, we added 3 more. Made it to Target. Oh, this is so cute. But honestly, I already have enough pumpkins. I don't need another one. But it's cute though. I think this is super basic, but it's super cute. I do, on the other hand, like this one. This kind of gives spooky vibes. Master of Fright. This is really cute. And then this one's just really adorable. Should I get a blue? Super cute. Yeah, they're cute. How much are they? $3 each? Yeah.
Let's give him $125.
Yeah. No. So y'all, I found ice cube trays. They have this one. And it's literally just skulls. And it's so cute. And then they have this like pumpkin. This pumpkin one. Looks like this. They're both $10 and I think they're so cute. Yo, I don't need it. This is what I mean. We're going to Target to buy stuff that we need and not just to spend money on stuff we don't. So back it goes, but it's super cute. Never mind, guys. I want to show y'all my new friend. To my man, he had a long day. Slumped. Jump scare. Guys, we finally made it to body care. This is the absolute best fall lotion. It smells so good. And another top contender is Fresh and Cozy. OMG, the star of the show, y'all. This is my favorite perfume. It literally smells so good and it's only 20 bucks. They do also have it in a body mist and I like to keep this one in my purse just for quick touch-ups. But this is the best inexpensive vanilla. Other vanilla alternative that also smells really good, they have a body oil and then body mist. and then a perfume roll-on, and these all smell really amazing. It's cashmere vanilla, perfect for fall. Some more body scrubs. I'm gonna grab this vanilla. Look, they have pumpkin spice hot chocolate. That's so cute. Guys, look, they even have apple cider. Ooh, I think I'm tempted to get this, y'all. Again, stuff I don't need. Pumpkin cookies, I finally found them. And then they have some ghosty ones. Y'all, I don't know. Guys, I chose pumpkin. They're so cute. Oh, we're finally leaving Target. Next stop, Bazaar Coffee. Look at this inside out. This is so stinking cute. I made it.
I actually go kill it.
First, before we try it, let's say if everyone thinks they're gonna like it.
No.
Really? I think maybe. I don't know about the cinnamon. Mom? Mine is good. Jada, what did you think of your Bazaar Thai tea?
So I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10.
Oh, okay.
But Dasj's is good.
Mine was good.
To be honest, I would rate it maybe a 4.5, 5 out of a 10.
What did you think of the one I got, the crisp orchids?
I absolutely love the one you got.
Yeah. Hey guys, well that's our review of Bazaar Coffee. See you when we get home. Oh, the aftermath. I can't believe it, y'all. Finally made it back home, and now it's time for the haul. So first things up, I got this coat hanger. Initially, I was not going in for this, but I think it's so cute, and it perfectly matches the entire vibe of my room. And guys, I got it for $26. That's a steal, and I had to have it. Next on the list is this orange pumpkin. I actually got this from Costco, and I think it's super cute. It matches another white pumpkin I got, so I wanted to get this one as well. Next up, I got this white pumpkin. I actually bought this one from Shein, and so once I saw the orange pumpkin at Costco, I knew I just had to get it so that it matches this one. Next up, I got this cute fall pillow from Marshall's. It's actually a bunch of mushrooms. I initially saw it and I was looking at it this way and I thought they were mugs. Guys, they aren't mugs, they're mushrooms. But either way, it matches the fall theme. I think it's cute. Next up, I got this candle from Marshall's. It's called White Pumpkin. It's the epitome of fall in my opinion. So good. Next up, I got these fall pillows. They're actually a 2-pack and I think they're perfect for fall. And then I also got this other pillow. It's super cute. I think it's a perfect addition to the other pillows. I got these beautiful orange pumpkins. They do light up and I think that they're so perfect. I got these candles. Well, they're fake candles, they're plastic, but they have a flicker of light that you can turn on at the bottom. And I got 3 of them and I think it'll go so well with the pumpkins. Next up, I got this. I don't know, I just thought this was so fall and very, very pretty. And then next up, probably my most favorite out of the entire haul is this teacup set. It comes with this pumpkin plate, right? And then you have the actual mug. And then it comes with this little spoon. Guys, you can't tell me that this isn't the cutest teacup set. Now that's all of the decor. Let's get into the snacks. For our first snacks, we got brownie pumpkins. Look! Next up, we got the pumpkin cookies. And I also actually did get more brownies. They were so yummy last time I had to double back and get some more. And then lastly for the snacks, I got pumpkin cheese balls. Now for our final bag, this is more so body care that I was telling you guys a little bit about earlier. So first up, we do have Vanilla Cashmere by EOS. I get compliments every time I wear it. And if y'all want a layering video on lotions, body washes, perfumes, let me know because I get compliments everywhere I go on how good I smell. This is part of the routine. Next up, part of the routine is Vanilla Bourbon by Mix Bar. It's only $20 and it smells incredibly good. Together, this is an amazing combo. I'm telling you, trust me, just try it out. It's the perfect scent for fall. And that's it for the haul, y'all. Time to decorate. You see how it's already saving my life? All my bags in one place. What do you think? Now we're in uniform and ready to decorate. Guys, this piece is always so hard to put in the cracks, so just pretend like we didn't see that. we have the bed done and the beanbag done. This is what it's looking like now. I got this flower lamp from TJ Maxx and it's so cute. I got these really pretty flowers. I think they match the fall vibe so perfectly. You guys think we're all done? Alright y'all, that's it for today's vlog. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.